Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the track, record a clean die or mic signal, and make sure your level never clips. Insert Logic Pro X's channel EQ as the first plugin on the guitar channel so you sculpt tone before compression. Solo the track and disable other inserts momentarily. This isolates frequency decisions. Now engage a gentle high-pass filter at 8120 Hz to remove rumble. Doing this first saves headroom and clarifies which mid-range elements actually matter for tone shaping. Once the low end is controlled, focus on the mids and presence. Use a narrow bell and sweep around 801, 200 Hz to locate honk or nasal tone. Cut that with a small gain reduction to open the sound. For muddiness, apply a wider cut between 200 and 400 Hz. Then add a gentle boost of 3.5 kHz for pick attack and presence, about 2.4 dB. Make subtle +/3.6 dB changes and toggle bypass frequently so you hear how each move translates. Finish by checking the guitar in the full mix. Lower the track to mix level and / be the EQ adjustments so you confirm musical impact. Use Logic's analyzer and the channel EQ split band solo to inspect problem frequencies visually. If something sounds worse, verify gain staging and plug-in order, EQ before compression verses after changes dynamics. Also check phase alignment with other tracks or duplicate regions. If issues persist, bypass and reintroduce one change at a time to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.